Good morning, Minnesota. Here we are on day 2 of our storm. Storm of the century, maybe. I don't think we've had a snowstorm quite this bad this decade. This really stinks. The wind is not quite as strong as yesterday, but more snow in the air. And I'm not sure if this is going to continue all day long. But if anybody from the Minnesota Tourism Bureau is watching, I don't think folks are coming. And those, you folks that are snowbirds, you folks that went down to Arizona and Florida and Texas, this is what you come back to. Our freakish April storm. Live from Hendricks, Minnesota. See you soon.